students, today we discuss about physical and chemical changes. Around us, if we observe, we find many types of changes taking place in the nature. Changes can be classified as physical changes or chemical changes. Now, what are physical changes? Physical change is change in physical properties of the substance. What are the physical properties? State of a substance, whether it is a solid, liquid or gas. Form of the substance, whether it is crystalline or not. Solubility, etc. So, in physical change, there is a change in physical properties. For example, ice when heated, we get water. Water when heated, we get steam. Ice is solid in state, water is liquid in state, steam is gaseous in state. So the physical condition of these three substances are different, but chemically all of them behave in the same way. Moreover, we can get water from steam by cooling, ice from water by cooling. No new substances of different properties is obtained in a physical change. In a physical change, a new substance is not obtained. New substance of different properties. Here, we get water from ice, but water is not of different properties chemically. If you break a glass in two pieces, we do not get different substance. If we dissolve some common salt in water, we get salty solution, but it is not a different substance. We can recover salt from water, solution of common salt. Also we can get water from the solution. If we heat the solution of common salt, water and salt, and don't allow the water vapors to escape, collect them and cool them down, we get water. This process is called distillation. Solution, distillation, evaporation, crystallization, these are all physical changes. So, in a physical change, no new substance is obtained. That is, no substance of different chemical properties is obtained. Chemical structure and properties of the substance remains same. Suppose we have a sulfur powder and iron filings, powder of iron, that is iron filings. If we fire iron with the help of a file, we get dust, iron filings. Suppose we mix them together, we get a mixture. Getting a mixture is not a chemical change because mixture is not different from the original substance because it shows the properties of iron and sulfur. If we put a magnet over it, the iron particles will be attracted towards it. It will be separated from the mixture. Or if we put this mixture of iron powder and sulfur powder in a liquid called carbon disulfide, then the sulfur particles, sulfur powder will get dissolved, and if we filtrate this solution on the filter paper, there will remain iron powder, iron filings, and sulfur will get separated in the filtrate, which we allow to evaporate. Sulfur will remain behind. Thus, they can be easily separated by filtration, evaporation. Chemical structure and properties do not change. No exchange of energy takes place. During physical change, the exchange of energy does not take place generally. Energy causes some other change which we call chemical change. In heating ice to water, we supply heat, but that heat is used to change the state of solid to liquid in ice. When we cool water to ice, same amount of heat is given out. So it is not wasted, or it is neither utilized also. Whatever the amount of heat we supply to water to turn it into steam, when steam turns into water, the same amount of heat is liberated. So that amount of energy of heat is used to change the state of the matter, not the chemical properties of the matter, or to get a substance of different type. Original substance can be obtained easily by physical methods of dissolved solution, filtration, crystallization, distillation, etc. These are physical methods. These changes are generally reversible. For example, ice to water, water to steam, steam to water, water to ice. Or dissolving a substance or common salt into water is a physical change. Crystallization of common salt is a physical change. Now, chemical changes. In chemical changes, new products of different properties are formed. When a substance undergoes chemical change, we get a new substance of different properties. For example, suppose we burn coal, we get gas carbon dioxide, and heat is liberated. So, carbon dioxide gas is different from coal. Coal is solid in nature, carbon dioxide is gaseous in nature. Or, if we burn magnesium ribbon, we get magnesium dioxide, white powder, and lot of amount of heat and light are liberated during this chemical reaction. There is an exchange of energy in the form of heat, light, etc. Electricity causes a chemical reaction to take place. Generally, chemical change is irreversible. Suppose we burn coal to get carbon dioxide gas. From carbon dioxide gas, it is not easy to get coal again. It's very difficult. So these changes are mostly irreversible, cannot be reversed. Suppose we get a mixture of iron filings and sulfur, and if we heat this mixture, after a little heating, the mixture itself will get heated up vigorously. Lot of amount of heat will be liberated, combustion will take place, and a new substance, black in color, brownish black, will be formed. This new substance is not attracted by magnet. This new substance does not dissolve in carbon disulfide liquid. The original constituents, sulfur and iron filings, were showing their properties. That is, iron filings were attracted toward magnet in mixture condition. Sulfur powder was soluble in carbon disulfide in mixture condition. But after heating, we get energy in the form of heat liberated, and we get a new substance which is brownish black in mass. It shows no properties of its original constituents, that is iron and sulfur. It is called iron sulfide. From iron sulfide, we cannot get iron easily back. We cannot get sulfur easily back. A new substance of different properties is obtained. It is not a reversible process. So, chemical processes are irreversible. Original substances cannot be recovered easily by physical methods. By physical methods, it is not possible to recover original substances. Examples of chemical changes is burning of candle, burning of petroleum, coal, diesel, oils, wood, rusting of iron. When iron is allowed to stand for a long time in presence of moisture and air, it gets rusted. Reddish powder is formed. We cannot easily get iron back from iron rust. So rusting of iron is a chemical change. Decomposition. When we heat limestone, we get lime and carbon dioxide gas. Lime is different from limestone. Carbon dioxide gas is also different from limestone. Thus, decomposition of limestone is a chemical process. Burning of paper, coal is also a chemical change, chemical process. In chemical process, we get substances of new properties. There is an exchange of heat, generally, sometimes light also. The original substances cannot be obtained easily back. The change is generally irreversible. That is, we cannot get the original constituents by physical methods of dissolving or crystallization or distillation, etc. Thus, chemical changes and and physical changes are different. Dear students, try to learn more about chemical changes and physical changes.